Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to get notified whenever we post a new video. Today, we're going to discuss how to start intermittent fasting, including tips for beginners, common mistakes to avoid, and how to adjust your lifestyle and schedule. As always, consult with a registered health practitioner before making any major changes to your diet. Let's get started. Tips for beginners. Starting intermittent fasting can seem daunting, but with these tips, you'll be on your way to success. First, start slowly. If you're new to fasting, don't jump straight into long fasts. Begin with a 12-12 schedule, which means 12 hours of fasting and 12 hours of eating, and gradually increase your fasting window. Next, stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water, herbal teas, or black coffee during your fasting period to stay hydrated and help manage hunger. Also, eat balanced meals. Focus on nutrient-dense foods during your eating window to ensure you're getting enough vitamins, minerals, and macronutrients. Plan your meals in advance to avoid unhealthy snacking and ensure you're eating balanced, satisfying meals. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how your body responds to fasting. If you feel dizzy, weak, or excessively hungry, it may be a sign to adjust your fasting schedule. Finally, be consistent. Stick to your chosen fasting schedule for a few weeks to give your body time to adjust. Common mistakes to avoid. Intermittent fasting can be highly effective, but there are some common mistakes to watch out for. First, overeating during eating windows. Avoid binge eating or consuming too many calories during your eating periods, as this can negate the benefits of fasting. On the flip side, not eating enough. Make sure you're eating enough calories and nutrients. Skipping meals entirely can lead to deficiencies and fatigue. Another mistake is choosing unhealthy foods. Focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods instead of processed or junk food, even if they fit into your eating window. And don't ignore your body. Don't ignore signs of extreme hunger, fatigue, or dizziness. Adjust your schedule or consult a healthcare professional if needed. Lastly, an inconsistent schedule. Try to stick to a consistent fasting and eating schedule to help your body adapt. Intermittent fasting requires some adjustments to your lifestyle and daily routine. Here's how you can make it work. First, work with your daily routine. Choose a fasting schedule that fits your lifestyle. If you're not a breakfast person, a 16-8 schedule starting at noon might work well. Next, adjust your workouts. Plan your workouts during your eating window for optimal energy levels. If you prefer morning workouts, consider a light pre-workout snack or adjust your fasting hours accordingly. Stay busy. Keep yourself occupied during fasting hours to avoid thinking about food. Engage in activities like reading, walking, or hobbies. Get support. Join online communities or find a fasting buddy to share experiences and stay motivated. Lastly, track your progress. Keep a journal of your fasting schedule, meals, and how you feel. This can help you identify what works best for you. And that's how to start intermittent fasting. I hope these tips and insights help you on your journey. If you have any questions or tips of your own, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and nutrition advice. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.